Ugh. Yeah. You heard right. I've got hiccups. Ugh. Great. Hold on. Oh, jeez. My pajama pads are awesome. Oh boy. Ugh. That's a little better. Yeah. I know how much you guys like hiccups, and well, I was going to do another 1-minute belch video, but these started happening, so I'm like, you know what? I'll give them a hiccup video. Man, these feel funny. They literally sound like they're going hiccup. Are they gone? Maybe. I love how my hiccups like to make a fool of me. They're like, go ahead, talk about it. Say they're gone. Say we're gone. Then they just come back and they're like, smite. We smite you. Sucks, but I've got like a beauty mark going on. It's funny. That one felt really funny. I wonder how long these are gonna last. I had a hiccuping spell that did not get to get on camera because I was out somewhere. And I just, a thumbs up for the epic thing. Just waiting for it. So what's new in my life? I'll just do a little quick update. I'm not gonna keep this video very long. Probably 3.5 minutes, just like that, maybe. 4, I don't know. It takes such a long ass time to upload to YouTube now. Anyway, what's new in my life? November is next month. I'm hopefully gonna get my braces off. That's where I'm scheduled to. I'm going to a Halloween party with my girlfriend Saturday. Or dance Friday, actually, I forgot about that. Which might be the last dance of Roller World, which will make me extremely pissed and mad and upset. But either way, I have that dance, and I have, what was I talking about? Alright. I have, going up to my friend's house, Sunday, and then hanging with a friend of ours who I've never met in real life yet. Known her for a while, though. Joey. And then I'm gonna go trick-or-treating in Halloween with my best friend. See you later.